Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to Chat Intimacy, my YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please do help to subscribe. We'll be doing an analysis on Flip3 synthetic index here. Um, a quick one. So I went to my weekly time frame. I seen the price has been bullish. So I went straight to my daily time frame. So my daily time frame, I observed that there was jelly rejection here, bullish. So I went down to a time frame lower. So what I saw was that there was a breakout, H4 breakout here. There was H4 breakout. Okay, so there's a H4 breakout. So I already knew that I'll be buying. So price did not create any liquidity. Okay, let me check my line chart. Okay, so this was a key level down here. So what did price do? Price actually swept the key level. So but price closed above, so I knew that there was an higher chance for a buy. So I stepped down to my lower time frame, 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes did not disappoint. 30 minutes gave us, let me clear this line. 30 minutes gave us an engineered liquidity. This is it. Now, so after presenting the engineered liquidity, I looked for the closest key level on my H1 time frame, and this was our engineered liquidity. So the closest, like using this key level. Okay, so this was the key level I used. So that's where the setup originated from. So okay, so where would have been our, so this is our SL. So target all the way to the external eye. So this that's about 8 RR. That's about 8 RR. Alright, I don't want this video to be very long. So what I just did, I went to the higher time frame. I saw a rejection on daily time frame. I went to time frame lower, which is 4 hours, and I saw there was a breakout giving me a confirmation for a buy. But on checking, I didn't really see a liquidity. So price engineered the liquidity. I caught that on 30 minutes. So after catching seeing the engineered liquidity, I went down to each one time frame, look for the closest key level. Then I bought all the way. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you want to trade the synthetic indices, you can come in the comment section. I'll drop my link and you can register and join us in the synthetic world. Thank you. I wish all of you a profitable week ahead. Bye bye.